I don't know, and a student.
Yeah.
And so that establishment and those roles are already
All right,
there.
you're just
so
sitting there.
Why wouldn't you want
now
to
you go,
use
but
those
I don't care.
roles, especially if we're not?
That's right. There's red light run.
They were sort of carved out of a rock face, right? Yeah, there were these enormous, beautiful statues. They were World Heritage sites, sort of thing. Yeah.
And so a lot of like corporations will get you to do this personality test when you go through their hiring process.
Well, I would say all scenarios because it's moved through that in our culture. So I think it's
ran through the stop sign.
And I love that.
No, donations to them should not be tax deductible. Yeah. Like they are just a land.
You're going out through and in. Doesn't work like that. What's this guy doing behind me? Yep, he turns. Great lane choice there. I have a feeling that, yep, he's exit diving. Oh, really? I didn't see that. No turn on red. Last second decision-making dive thing.
Astrophysicist Dr. Dan Batchelder. We were actually having breakfast this morning at a convention, and I said, I saw this post on the internet which actually made a lot of sense.
This is Joshua Story, a Simply Safe customer from Indiana. Indiana? Oh, Jesus Christ. I'm guessing
exit dive. Really? Two at once. Toyota turd. Flying for night. What are you doing, man? Don't turn on red.
The soul is the inner self that looks just like you, that looks just like your radiant self, your true radiant self.
What the fuck?
Glowing with an ethereal light.
Bicyclist right there. Because I am, because Prius, of course. Nope, behind me.
A few nights later, I was absent-mindedly channel surfing while Phoebe was away at one of her mini Bible studies.
Nope.
I came across...
That was red light run, I think. Don't turn on red. Don't turn on red. No stop. No stop, Screwbaroo. Come on.
It's kind of distorted, one of the kids said. But I don't think it's the computer. No, Grant.
Of course.
It's just time.
as a culture, and I think new words can become profanity, and then they can
No
from
turn on red.
And I think
Yep.
like
No stop. No stop. No turn on red. No turn on red, Scroobaroo. Anyone right through the stop sign. Okay. Pedumstrians, pedumstrians, pedum dum 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 dumstrians.
Real cute. This was sent in to us by this. The tweet said,
That was red light run.
some of y'all
It's green. You're just sitting there. You're just sitting there and you missed your entire light. Good job. Your country's proud of you.
He left a great deal unsaid. For example, Hammond was starting a genetics
Red light run.
company.
Turning Red. It's this incredibly violent, absurd, raunchy, heartfelt film by the Daniels, and I definitely would encourage folks to check
Come
it out.
on.
Oh my gosh, everything you just said like ticked all of my little boxes.
Right?
I already knew I wanted to go watch it, but I didn't hear anything.
Yeah, get the
about
fuck
it
out of the
really,
way.
like how great it is. So, and you didn't.
Biblically, as I've stated earlier, is that only the Bible comports with the ultimacy of our God.
Really?
The beginning God.
Okay, but you are... Yeah, exactly. So, presuppositionalism, that's what it is in a nutshell. It's just a never-ending loop of saying the same thing over and over again. Well,
Nope.
the book in the first sentence...
Exit
in the
dive.
beginning, and therefore, walked in my Rari. So I think yours is, like, way deeper and much better for the show. So anyway...
Man, you always make me look like a tool.
You're not a tool. What? I just quoted rap lyrics. What does that make me?
You
I don't
ask
know.
me for words of wisdom, and I give you something, and then you,
Oh,
and
am
then
I
you be
from
facetious at me.
underneath you? Come on, come on. No, I.
What are you? Yeah, you're being not very smart, Toyo turd. No stop, Toyo turd. Wait, was that an exit regret? Yeah, it was. I don't think that guy stopped up there. No stop. I never meant to give you mushrooms, girl, and you're exit diving, girl, or whatever gender you are, and it's your fault, your fault. You didn't stop. Toyo turd. You didn't stop either. And when were you planning on stopping?
Hired by Biosin, he had conducted the controversial rabies vaccine test in Chile. Now he was the head of product development at Biosin, which supposedly...
in vain for your own vanity. So
Right,
that was another way that I understood it later on too.
Yeah, I mean, my perspective on
No, stop.
profanity, I guess, swearing.
Not that I'm come to send peace on the earth. I came not to send peace, but a sword. For I have come to set a
Red light
man
run.
at variance against his father, and the
Come
daughter
on.
against her mother, and the daughter-in-law